Two giants in life insurance, Prudential and Ladder Life. Both promise security, but only one can truly stand out. Which one really delivers? On one side, the established legacy of Prudential. On the other, the modern, tech-driven Ladder Life. Let's cut through the marketing talk and see what actually matters for you. Each key factor earns a score, and by the end, you'll know which insurer takes the lead. The outcome may surprise you. Okay, before we jump in, here's our game plan. We're going to compare Prudential and Ladder Life across 5 key things: price and flexibility, speed and application, tech and experience, coverage options, and company stability. Got that? Let's roll. First up, price and flexibility. So Prudential has that classic approach. If you're in great health and willing to jump through a couple hoops, sometimes you'll score really competitive rates, which is great. But honestly, the process can get a little tangled, and yeah, there might be some extra fees hidden in the small print. Now, Ladder Life, you can tweak your coverage whenever you want, up, down, sideways, no back and forth with an agent. No fees to change anything, and dude, the whole quote process, click, click, done. But I'll say, for some older folks or higher risk profiles, prices might not be as sweet. Overall though, in today's world, Ladder is just way more flexible, and that definitely makes them the winner here. Next, speed and application. If you love paperwork, well, congratulations, Prudential delivers. Advisors are super helpful, but yeah, just get ready to fill stuff out and possibly get a medical exam. Totally not for the impatient. With Ladder Life though, it's super streamlined. A lot of people get approved instantly, no annoying doctor's visits, literally the whole thing is online, which is kinda wild, honestly. Of course, if you want a human to walk you through every answer, that's not really Ladder's thing, but speed is king here, so Ladder takes this category too. Let's talk tech and experience. Prudential, to be fair, does offer agent support and an app, but using their online stuff, it can feel like you're trapped in 2008. It works, but it's clunky. Now with Ladder, oh, and here's something cool, they've actually nailed the whole user experience. Their web design and app are super modern, and tweaking your policy or checking details is literally as easy as checking your email. Only downside, want to walk into an office? Not gonna happen, but honestly most of us just want things digital, right? So Ladder wins this one too. Oh, quick fun fact for the insurance nerds. Did you know the first life insurance company in the US dates all the way back to 1759? Imagine the paperwork back then. Now coverage options, here, where Prudential flexes big time. You want term life? Done. Whole life? Yep. Fancy add-ons in case of disability or critical illness? Oh yeah, plus their coverage limits go way high. Not all of it's available online, classic, but there's real variety. Over at Ladder though, it's just term life up to $3 million. No whole life, no riders, none of that. If you want one size fits most, it's fine, but if you want options and all the bells and whistles, Prudential easily comes out ahead here. Let's wrap it up with company stability. So Prudential is old school in the best way, over 145 years old, a mountain of experience, and an A+ rating from AM Best. Like, if you want to be sure the company will actually be there in 30 years, this one's safe as houses. They are a huge company, so things can feel a bit slow-moving. Ladder isn't actually an insurer itself. They partner with some legit carriers, and they've grown pretty quick since starting in 2015. But at the end of the day, they don't have their own financial rating, and the legacy isn't really there yet. Gotta hand this to Prudential. Visually, you can see it's a real toss-up on overall strengths. Ladder kinda blitzes the tech and convenience areas, but Prudential has that old-school coverage range and trust factor nailed down. Okay, so here's my take. If you actually want every option under the sun and you care about a company with a serious reputation, Prudential is built for you. But if you're all about getting things done now with zero fuss and modern tech, Ladder Life honestly crushes it. Different vibes, just gotta pick what fits your style. If this helped you sort out your next smart insurance move, follow for more breakdowns where we cut apart all the options so you don't have to.